Hi, I'm Tom Fenton from Peerless-AV here at ISE 2020. Today we are showing you our dedicated LED solutions. On the left we have a solution for the Samsung's new IER in a 1x3 configuration, but also showing that we can extend on with their IER-F. On the right side we also have the Philips 27BDL. We can mount to any manufacturer's products. The principles are the same throughout both. They have X, Y and Z adjustment. Not only 15mm of height adjustment, but 10mm of depth adjustment. They can be made to any configuration, installed onto any surface. Not only just on the wall solutions, but we can make other solutions to fit the customer's needs. One example here is actually a moving track solution. If the install is needed to go into a retail environment, close to a window, the solution can be moved back to do full servicing, not only on the cabinets, but also to do maintenance of the window itself. Other solutions could include floor to ceiling, ceiling suspended, pivoting doors, but any more information, visit www.peerless-av.com.